And that's our ticket?
I guess so.
So this is the Harish Shinjuku?
This is like starting to be the district area.
Alright, excellent.
So it's like,
oh, we gotta go to the Mexican bar.
Yeah. Alright, let's turn right here.
Wow.
This gospel area is where this was like,
oh, the robot restaurant.
Yeah. So
we came all the way here to see the Mel Gibson movie. Oh God. Alright, made it past the crossing. Didn't get lost. Yeah, baby. It's nice knowing you, Alex. This is Shibuya. Shibuya crossing.
The busiest crossing in the world. I think.
Look at this asshole right here. We made it. I was a little worried there. Oh man, that's just as crazy of a crosswalk. Whoa! We should have got matching hats.
Sorry?
Matching hats.
Yeah?
Electric City, man. Woo! We're actually doing it? Alright, see you, Madness. I know. Boss Coffee. Meiji Shrine?
Meiji Shrine.
Can you say it in Japanese?
No.
No. No. No. Is that a picture facade?
Yeah. This is me not being entertained here. Hold on, let me.
This is like fake monuments.
I'll fix it.
We're gonna change the backdrop. Thank you, Google, showing us how it really looks.
So that's what I did last year.
have to go see another girl. Hold us, Alex. Fried chicken.
Oh shit!
Oh man. It's a
Might be good for dinner.
KFC quality right here.
Thanks to that. You're only at 2.7K, son.
I'm feeling it. Make some noise. Woo! It got real. It got real. Oh! Number one! And all the cheerleaders are there. Oh, bandwagon fans. Number one. So what's your Yelp review of this temple, Alex?
4 stars.
Yeah, compared to the other one?
4.5 stars.
You said the other one was just sad?
Yeah, exactly.
It's sold out.
Pretty boring.
Yeah.
So, this one's alright.
It's alright. It's alright. I mean, we're at the fish market. So fire. Fire. Lots of good food. Why are you embarrassed?
I don't know this guy.
So fire. Let's check it out. I'm going to Uber to the park.
Yeah. Get a nap in.
Can Google just pick us on a drone? Pluck us?